Hello and welcome to the video. This is just a very quick video to talk about something that's happening on YouTube at the moment. As of the 20th of February, anybody that hasn't had 4,000 hours of watch time on their channel or got more than 1,000 subscribers will lose the ability to monetize their video. Now, the kind of channels that we're talking about are the smaller boutique channels, people starting out. There are people out there who have loads and loads of views. The podcast channels in particular that you might just set up and have playing in the background while you're doing something else usually get the view time with no problem at all, but maybe don't have the subscribers or vice versa. And that means that as of the 20th of February this year, they're going to not be able to monetize their videos. Now, a lot of the people who are going to be hit by this are the smaller channels who are just starting out, the people who are creating content because they want to help and inspire other people. There's loads of people in the radio controlled hobby, but also lots of other people and creators on YouTube who are going to be affected as well. Now, the amount of money we're talking about here isn't huge at all. Now, at the moment, the channel that you're watching, the Painless 360 YouTube channel, is just going to get up to 90,000 subscribers. And if you look at the stats, about 2/3 of the people that watch the videos are not subscribed. So this isn't something that's unique to the smaller channels. As viewers of YouTube, and I'm one of them as well, I watch an awful lot of videos on YouTube, we don't always hit the subscribe button. And one of the things we can do to help these smaller channels is make sure that if we are watching their content, enjoying the videos and pieces that they make, finding it useful, being inspired, being entertained, is making sure that we hit that subscribe button to give them the best possible chance of not only being able to hit the amount of hours, but the amount of subscribers as well. The amount of money that these channels will lose isn't huge. For the kind of channel that's going to be affected by this, they're going to be making well under $100 a month. We're talking about $50, $60, $70 total. And for a lot of the creators out there, they're not going to stop making the videos that they love making because they lose that $40, $50, $60 a month. But it's more about the principle of the thing, really. That kind of money really helps. You can buy a couple of FR Sky receivers with it, and sometimes that can mean the difference between you being able to scratch build that wing and not for a video that you want to do, to explain to somebody how to do a mix on an OpenTX radio. So please, if you are watching channels out there on YouTube and you like the content, particularly if it's a channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, do go and hit that subscribe button, do hit the like button, and let those content creators know that the people out there are supporting the work they do. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.